Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your printer to a router via USB. This simple setup transforms a standard printer into a network-accessible device for all your connected computers and smartphones. We will cover the necessary preparations, the physical connection steps, router configuration, and finally, how to set up your computer to print. Get ready to enjoy convenient, shared printing. Before we begin, take a moment to confirm your router has a USB port and supports a printer-server function, which is crucial for this setup. Next, ensure your printer itself is compatible with this feature, as not all models are. You will need a standard USB Type-A to Type-B cable, your printer's installation software or drivers, and the username and password for your router's administration panel. Having these ready will make the process smooth. To make the physical connection, power off both your printer and router first. Securely plug one end of the USB cable into your printer and the other end into the router's USB port. After connecting, power on your router first, then wait about 2 minutes for it to fully boot. Finally, turn on your printer. This specific power-up sequence helps your router properly detect the newly connected device. With the printer connected, it is time to configure your router. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address, typically found on a sticker, to access its administration panel. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the section often labeled USB settings or printer server. Locate the option to enable this printer server function. Once enabled, note any displayed network name or IP address for your printer. You will need this critical information for the final setup on your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.